We got some more Harbor Freight deals going on. These are the hot coupon deals for May. These are going to be May 12th through May 26th. We're going to check out these super coupons and see if they got any good deals going on. All right, so first up, we got the blowgun. $4 for that. That's the Merlin blowgun. Always nice to have those in the shop or garage. And then if you guys are looking to do some painting, the Black Widow spray guns at Harbor Freight, one of the best guns around for the price. They got two different versions here. $50 off, bringing this one down to $130. They got $30 off, bringing this one down to $150. Like I said, high quality spray guns here. Definitely a nice pickup if you're looking to do some high quality paint jobs. Both of these got the 1.7 nozzles, so that'd be good for base coat, clear coat, even some primers. Not a bad pickup there. Next up, we got the Chief Long Barrel Air Hammer coming in at $120, so $20 off on that. And then we got the McGraw 3-gallon air compressor. So we got the hot dog and the pancake. Definitely seen lower prices on these. Seen them as low as I think around $45 at some parking lot sales, but they do hover right around the $50 mark. So not too bad of a deal there. So next up, we got the Daytona 6-ton ratcheting jack stands. So these are coming in at $60, 25% off. Actually, not too bad of a deal here. If I remember correctly, one of the previous parking lot sales, they were down to like $58. So still a pretty good deal on the 6-ton Daytona jack stands. Got the bottle jack, and then we got some shop towels. These are always nice to keep in the shop or garage. We got your 4-way for $10. Code reader for $100. It's kind of the going price for that. Got the hand vacuum pump. Grease gun, $20 for that. Normally $31.99, so 37% off. Not a bad deal there. We got the Maddox hydraulic brake flaring toolkit down to $290. This was $329, so you're getting $40 off on that. And then we got the Badlands 12,000 pound winch with wire rope. $279.99 for this one. It says this was $349, so actually a pretty decent deal on that one. If you guys are looking for a winch for your truck or SUV, got some straps, and then they also got the 5,000 pound winch. So $159.99, $160, not a bad deal. I've seen this as low as about $150 during other sales. So for a super coupon, not too bad. $20 off on that. And then we're going to jump into some generators. So they got the Predator 9500 coming in at $2,200. $100 off on this. Not the greatest deal. Previous parking lot sales, they've had this as low as $1,800. So if you can hold off on this, I'd hold off on it. Maybe wait for another big sale at Harbor Freight. Be able to get it a lot cheaper. And then they also got the Predator 8750 open frame inverter generator for $1,000. Jump into some hand tools. We got the Pittsburgh pry bar set 4-piece for $12, 29% off on that. All right, next up we got the Icon 14-piece combination wrench set for $80. $40 off on that with this super coupon. And then next to that we got the Pittsburgh 22-piece combination wrench set. Only $16 for that. 20% off. Not a bad deal for a budget wrench set. And then all the way to the right here, we got the Pittsburgh 3/8-inch drive deep socket. This is a 10-piece. Get this in SAE or metric. Only $10 for that one. Another Icon item, we got the mini soft grip pick and hook set 4-piece, $15. It's kind of the going price for these, so not a bad deal. Got the Quinn torque adapter for $38. Let's see what else we got here. And then we got the Quinn 3/8-inch drive spark plug socket set, 14-piece, coming in at $66. And then we got the Quinn snap ring pliers coming in at $10. Getting into some lighting and specialty. Got the TV wall mount, $30. Not a bad deal there. We got the Vanguard extension cord for $40. It's 50-footer, 12-gauge. And then we got the Vanguard 25-foot 12-gauge outdoor extension cord for $18. All the way to the right here, we got the Braun 12,000 lumen LED work light, 14% off on that, bringing the price down to $43. And then we got the 81 millimeter round magnet coming in at $4. All right, next up, we got the Franklin moving blanket, $6. Love my moving blankets. Use these all the time, especially when I'm working on my vehicle. Helps protect the paint when I'm working underneath the hood. We got the Bauer roller stand with edge guide, 20 bucks for that, 13% off. Got some swivel casters, the Franklin convertible hand truck for 80 bucks. This was $94.99. Got some painter's tape, Hardy gloves, and then some earmuffs over here for $3. All right, we got the Portland pressure washer, $71.99. Not the cheapest price we've seen, but this does hover between $64 to $70 depending on the type of sale they're having. So $71.99 is pretty close to the higher end of those sales. Now, I don't expect a lot out of this pressure washer, but for some light duty cleaning, this should be just fine. We got the utility cart for $150, and then we got a couple hoses over here, a 50-footer for 20 bucks, a 100-footer for $25. Next up, they got the Cover Pro 10 by 20 foot portable car canopy down to $115. Definitely really light duty. This isn't going to hold up to high winds, snow, or anything like that, but decent for some temporary summer cover of your vehicle, or if you're trying to keep some stuff out of the rain. And then we got a 20% off coupon here if you guys are looking for some hoses, garden hose, anything like that. This is going to be good. Limit one coupon per customer, 20% off. Jump into some power tools. We got the Warrior step bit set. This is the 3-piece, $9. We got a couple Hercules blades. So we got the 14-inch all-cut combo diamond blade for $120. And then we got the 14-inch carbide circular saw blade for metal cutting saws, 50 bucks for that. Got the Warrior masonry chisel bit set for 35 bucks, and then we got the Bauer flap disc available in a couple different grits for $9. Jump in the shopping garage. We got the stud finder, 13 bucks, some poly sheeting for $20, and then the paint tray for $2.79. All right, so we got the U.S. General 34-inch 6-drawer full bank service cart coming in at $500, $100 off on this. Available in 9 different colors. Not too bad of a deal there. We got the utility hook for $169. And then we got the Apache 9800 weatherproof rifle case coming in at $120. Definitely seen this lower, right around $100 during the parking lot sale. So not too good of a deal there. And then all the way to the right, we got the Yukon 60-inch hardwood workbench coming in at $150, $30 off on that one. You guys looking to organize your sockets? They do have the U.S. General peg type style socket tray. This is a 3-piece for $18. And then they got another U.S. General toolbox. So this is the top chest, the 56-inch, $70 off on this. This was $5.99. Brought the price down to $529.99 with this super coupon. And then all the way to the right, we do have a couple more Apache cases. So the 1800 coming in at $10. Not too bad of a deal. During the parking lot sale, this might have been about $1 cheaper. And then we got the 2800 for $24. Now, this has definitely been a lot cheaper. I remember this being down to $18 at one of the previous sales. So $23.99. Not the best deal that we've seen. And then we got a few more U.S. General socket holders. So these are the magnetic ones. Got the 3/8-inch drive for $14.99. 1/4-inch for $12.99. And then they got the multiple rail socket trays. So this is good for 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch. These are the snap-in style for $15. Then we'll jump into some welding machinery. So they got the titanium welding table for $180. So only $10 off on that one. Not the best deal we've seen. We also got the Chicago Electric adjustable welding table for $80. And then they got the Vulcan 10-pound roll of flux core welding wire for $50. All right, guys, so that's it. Those are the super coupons that's running to the end of May. Some decent deals, some deals not so good, but definitely wanted to bring these to your attention so you guys get the latest update of what's going on at Harbor Freight and what sales they got going on. So like I said, this is starting Monday, May 12th, running through Monday, May 26th. These are their hot coupon deals for the rest of May. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys like these sale updates at Harbor Freight, make sure you smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.